Hi, I'm Deepak Krishna, studying in Srinivas Institution of Technology, Valchir. My innovative idea is motor controller in irrigation system. So, a motor controller in an irrigation system is a device or system that manages the operation of electric motor, which is used to drive water pumps in an agriculture irrigation setup. Its primary purpose is to regulate and control the flow of water from water sources, such as wells, rivers, or reservoirs, to the fields or areas that needed to be irrigated. The motor controller ensures that the motor pump or operates efficiently, delivering the right amount of water to the crops while minimizing wastage. Here, the AI is integrated to this device for intelligent regulation and timing of irrigation system. They have sensors connected which help in detecting environmental changes and diseases and also give updation of humidity, temperature, information about pest to the device. This device has touchscreen display panel through which the user can operate and also get his daily report. Now the advantages. They have fault detection feature which will alert the user if there is any leak or malfunction. The mobile app connected to this device to get information, also on or off the motor pump in the field, and to give reminder to the user to on or off the pump. The A present in this device gives updation of temperature, humidity, irrigation pattern to the device and mobile app. So this is the flowchart of motor control and irrigation system. So thank you.